JXSC Flowchart explanation for 100 TPH Alluvial gold washing and processing plant. 1. Loader or excavator feed raw ore into the hopper. 2. Vibrating feeder feed raw ores into trommel scrubber. Trommel scrubber is to wash off heavy clay from ore, and screen out different sized particles. 3. Overscreen materials of trommel are transported to far place by belt conveyor, this is waste sands or stones. 4. Underscreen materials of trommel are sent to 2-set centrifugal concentrator by a slurry pump. Centrifugal concentrator is to concentrate 0 to 6 mm fine gold. 5. Tailings of centrifugal concentrator will be sent to sluice box for recovering more gold. 6. Concentrates of sluice box and centrifugal concentrator are sent to shaking table for final concentration gold in order to increase the purity of gold content. 7. Tailing of shaking table and sluice box will flow into a tank, this material will pumping to dewatering screen, in order to recycle tailings water for reuse. This flowchart is suitable for alluvial gold ores, especially alluvial ores with sticky clay, and gold particles 6 mm below. If the gold particle size is bigger than 6 mm, just add one more sluice box for recovering gold nuggets with 6 mm up, or apply our jig separator instead of the centrifugal concentrator, which is quite suitable for the recovery of big-grained gold.